I currently have a screensaver going here just to show some color. This is my new 55-inch Hisense H9F. Currently replaced my 55B7A OLED that suffered from burn-in / image retention, unfortunately. So working at getting that panel replaced or a new TV replaced. So in the meantime, I'm using this as my replacement for my OLED to see how well it does at over half the price. As you can see right here, I have the H9F box, and sitting behind here is my 55B7 OLED waiting to get fixed. So just thought I'd give you guys a quick update and some things going on. Got some other changes downstairs in the media room to work on. Just a matter of finding time. So stay tuned for further updates as I make them available.